We got some holes to fill here, and you're probably wondering what the plan is. So let's see if we can come up with one. We got some options. So we had some choices with what to figure out, what to pick and what to do next, and I've been humming and hawing about it a lot. And you used to be a guy who knew exactly what I wanted. Nowadays it seems to be a lot different. So let me show you what I went through and where we ended up. This is Ernesto's Countach competition. It's built by Sandy, and it's a great car. That's really what I had on my list for. You know, the eyes for the next car is an F40 replica. You know, that would be the ultimate for me. But Ernesto's not letting go of that car anytime soon, and they're really tough to find, so I'm gonna have to keep waiting out for that. This popped up local to me. It's a Fiero-based, you know, Ferrari replica. I was thinking that would work with, you know, reliability wise, it's low kilometers. That may be a good fit. But, you know, the family reminds me that it's not going to have the power. That's something I enjoy every day too, and having a lot of power in the car. So it's probably not going to do the trick. Although reliability wise, I feel comfortable that I could make it work and stay on top of the maintenance and all that to make it work for a daily driver. But family has a good point. It's not going to have the power. So I don't think it's going to be a good fit. So how about something like a Corvette? This thing caught my eye. I saw one in a showroom. You know, then the gray color with the stripes, that looked really cool. But couldn't make it fit in the budget. It was a real downer. But anyways, I was trying to buy one in the winter months. You'd think I'd be able to get a good deal, but I couldn't. So what about like a Chevy Cruze and maybe that Fiero, right? The two together. Use the Cruze as a daily driver and, you know, spiff it up or try to get something exciting going, but nah, the power's not going to be there. But what if I did something like another Camaro, and that would have the power, and I could winter drive, I could pick out some cool colors. I saw the 2019 one come out and it was like, not for me, no way. But I did find this, and looking for Camaros, the SEMA show car that Chevy did, and it caught my eye. I liked it. What if we took it one step further and did blue accents, you know, a little homage to the Hot Wheels edition, you know, and maybe I had that IROC years ago, maybe we IROC sort of like make that concept out of it, you know, or an IROC SS. I like that, you know, that was a cool idea. So you're probably wondering, what's the plan? What are we going to do here? I think I got it figured out. I just like this thing. I think it looks great. I'm going to do it just like this. Sticker it up myself because I know how to do all that, you know, vinyl stuff now, and I've gotten better at it after doing Madison's little toy. And you know, he thinks in the long run we might have some fit in the garage for another kit, so maybe that Fiero replica is not long off. So that's the plan for now. As you know, things can often change with me, but we'll see. If they do, they do. See ya. Yep, doing some work on the Durango. A little repair work. You'll see. It's my daily, you know. Not really. Taking the old girl into town to do a little pickup. Thought I'd do a little circle check before I left, and that's not normal. dog on the balcony across the street. Looks like it may not be long before this side goes too. So he's gonna make it to my toe. Oh, he's getting close. Oh, he's getting closer. Oh, almost. Actually, in that last video, I said I was daily driving the Durango, but actually the wife let me use hers. But I think she's having the last laugh.